Hello, good evening, sir. My name is John Paul C. Ayupan. My nickname is Paul. I live in Picoyan, Poblacion 3. We are loving and helpful community. We like to help the elders that needs our help. My parents are Junel C. Ayupan, my father, and my mother is Maria Fee C. Ayupan. And my siblings are Ariel Jane C. Ayupan, my sister, and my little brother is Obianama Nolan of 4. I graduated in Notre Dame of Picoyan. The school is nice and very friendly. I choose BIS-IT. I choose this course to enhance my skills in computer, and I know this course is in demand when it comes to seeking of jobs in the future. I expect in this course that will help me improve my skills in computer. I enroll in ECC because it's budget friendly. My friend is the one who influenced me to enroll in ECC. I expect in ECC is to be teach properly and explain properly their lesson. My goal in life is to achieve my dreams. I will achieve it in my own way. There is nothing really a hindrance by achieving my goal. The only hindrance is myself by not working on it. I see myself in 10 years by working on my dream job.